Hey, so I was making a video on the use of this wonderful new tool from Manpa. It's a cutter. Fits on an angle grinder, and funny enough, on the internet today I seen pictures of the carnage that one of these things does. For the users that don't know what it is, it's a King Arthur Lancelot. There's a few other names for them. This is a chainsaw chain. It's actually a real chain that fits on these two little plates that squeeze together, and it fits on your angle grinder. And people swear by them. They insist on using them. Well, I can post a few pictures here and show you what happens when you use them. And the problem is that these things are not made to stop. When you turn them on, right? It's off, it's still running, right? That's what, almost a minute of, or 30 seconds of running, right? It's on, it's off, it's still running, right? And still got power behind it. Like, look at that, right? It's running, I turn it off, and I'm still cutting. So you put this piece of shit on it, and you know, you're cutting along and you get a kickback, which chainsaws are known for. You know, you cut in too deep, you cut the right angle, it flips over, it don't stop, it keeps cutting. I'm going to show you how to safely use one of these. So you take it, you line it all up, you put it down on a nice block, and then you get a hammer, and you beat the crap out of the fucking thing. And then you take it and you throw it in the garbage. And a lot of you will say, well, that Manpa tool is the same thing. Well, kind of. You see, the difference here is that this is on a belt, right? And when you run it on a belt, if it gets stuck, if you hold the belt, the head slips around, right? So it's not going to jump up into your face when it gets caught. It's just going to stop turning, all right? So the head can still turn, but the belt can strip away, all right? Plus, it's away from you and away from your body, all right? So it's way safer to use one of these things than it is to use something directly attached to the grinder. Check out our video on the new Manpa Mini cutter. See how to set it up and how the thing works. But definitely, if you got one of those King Arthurs, smash it, throw it in the garbage, get rid of it.